So OAuth 2 is a generic authentication authorization framework that's been around for quite a few years. It's very good. It's very well supported. And Smart on Fire is actually a superset, basically, of OAuth 2, in the sense that you can use OAuth 2 as your authentication authorization method in your Smart on Fire application. Smart on Fire goes a step further, because what Smart on Fire does is it provides additional requirements to enable applications to be built in a consistent way that can be easily embedded in an EHR or EMR, or it can be used in a mobile app, or it can be used as a web application. But it has that extra information related to the context in which it's launched. So, for example, if you embed it in an EMR, you've got the context of the patient or the encounter for a given patient. And that information is passed through the tokens in a standard way, as per the Smart on Fire specification, to the application, so that it knows the context in which it's functioning, and it limits the access to the information based on that context in the authentication tokens. Now, there's, like every specification, there is some variations in which you can play with your interpretation of that. So one of the things that we did in AlphaLex during real-world implementation, of course, is come across quite a few of these. So we know where people have interpreted the standards slightly differently, as is all standards. So we've had the pleasure of hitting all of those variations. And of course, you know, it helped that we were involved in a lot of the authentication authorization stuff during the reference implementations that we built for DaVinci.